Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Honor 400 Pro is on the blacklist. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the IMEI.info page, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this site using the IMEI number of your Honor 400 Pro. And also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your device. So now all we need to do is to click on check IMEI. Now as you can see, we have our Honor 400 Pro. Now we need to simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. And in here we have two options. We have the Blacklist Simple Check and the Premium Check. But for the Premium Check you need to pay. But let's begin with the basic checks. To do it we need to click on right in here. Now click on check blacklist status, and as you can see now we have our confirmation that our device is clean. Below we can see the information about the brand, the model, the email. Is this device clean, the date on which the report was created at, and in here we can order the Blacklist Premium Check. To do it, click on order now. And now we need to scroll. You can see that this costs for $5, and the time needed for that action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Also, if you scroll to the downside, in here you can see a comparison how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. Also, you can see the differences between the Premium Check and the basic checks. Basic check in here, for example, you can see the manufacturer, the blacklist status, general list status, blacklist reason, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. But on the basic option you didn't have that. You could see that also before when I was showing you the result. And on the right side you have an example how it will look like when the device is clean. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.